Family life. Hey, son, I noticed you've been acting a bit anxious lately. Is everything okay?
Oh, Dad, I've been meaning to talk to you about something. I'm really scared about becoming a father myself. I feel like I have no idea what I'm doing.
Son, it's completely normal to feel scared. Being a parent is a big responsibility, and it's natural to have doubts. But let me assure you, you're not alone in this. I'm here to support you every step of the way.
Thanks, Dad. I appreciate your support, but I just feel so unprepared. How do I even raise a child? I don't want to mess it up.
Well, raising a child is a learning experience for everyone. Nobody is born knowing all the answers. But I can give you some guidance based on my own experiences. One of the most important things is to boost your child's self-esteem. Let them know they are loved and valued.
How do I do that, Dad?
It's simple, really. Acknowledge their accomplishments, no matter how small. Praise them when they do something well. It will make them feel proud and confident. Also, encourage them to do things independently, as it helps them develop a sense of capability and strength.
I never thought about it that way. What about discipline, Dad? How do I set limits for my child?
Discipline is indeed necessary, but it's important to be consistent and fair. Establish clear house rules and expectations. For example, you can have a designated study time before playtime or emphasize the importance of treating others with respect. And when rules are broken, have consequences in place, like a timeout or loss of privileges.
That makes sense, Dad. But what if I make mistakes along the way? What if I become a bad father?
Son, we all make mistakes. It's part of being human. The important thing is to learn from them and always strive to do better. Your love for your child and your dedication to their well-being will guide you. Remember, I'm here to support you too.
Thanks, Dad. I really appreciate your wisdom and encouragement. I'm feeling a bit better already.
I'm glad to hear that, son. But remember, being a good parent also means spending quality time with your child. Take the time to have meals together, go for walks, or engage in activities they enjoy. They need your attention and care.
You're right, Dad. I'll make sure to prioritize spending time with my child. And communication, too. That's important, isn't it?
Absolutely. Communication is key. Listen to your child, understand their feelings, and explain things to them. Let them know why certain behaviors are not acceptable and involve them in finding solutions. When they feel heard and understood, it strengthens your bond and builds trust.
Dad, thank you for all these valuable insights. I'm really grateful for your guidance.
You're welcome, son. I'm always here for you. If you ever need more advice or have questions, we can have another discussion. Parenting is a journey, and we'll navigate it together.
That means a lot to me, Dad. I feel more confident knowing I have your support. Let's do this together.
Absolutely, son. We'll be a great team. I'm proud of you and the father you will become. Remember, you're never alone in this journey. Working hard to get a pay raise. Hey, Sarah, have you ever thought about working hard to get a promotion and a pay raise?
Absolutely. I believe putting in the effort and going the extra mile can lead to great opportunities. What makes you ask?
Well, I've been considering it lately. I've heard that working overtime and doing things beyond regular job responsibilities can impress the boss.
That's true. Showing dedication and taking initiative can make a big difference. For instance, buying a gift for the boss's daughter on her birthday and getting reimbursed is a thoughtful gesture that can leave a positive impression.
Really? That's interesting. So by doing something extra like that, you can actually benefit in the long run.
Yes, it shows that you are willing to go above and beyond, and it helps build a good relationship with the boss. However, it's important to maintain a balance and not overexert yourself.
I understand. So working hard and showing initiative are key factors in getting noticed and considered for a promotion, right?
Absolutely. It's not just about meeting the minimum requirements. Arriving early, staying late when necessary, and volunteering for tasks that go beyond your job description all demonstrate your dedication and work ethic.
That makes sense. It sounds like hard work truly pays off. By investing extra time and effort, you increase your chances of moving up the ladder.
Indeed, it's also important to be aware of the opportunities around you. For example, if a coworker quits or a position opens up, the boss might consider promoting someone who has consistently shown commitment and dedication.
That's a great point. It's always beneficial to be prepared and seize any potential opportunities that come your way. You never know when the right moment for a promotion will arise.
Absolutely. It's also important to stay positive and not get discouraged if you don't get an immediate promotion. Sometimes it takes time, but your hard work will eventually be recognized.
I agree. It's crucial to stay focused and continue giving your best. Persistence and determination are key qualities in achieving professional growth.
Definitely. And remember, it's not just about the promotion itself, but also about personal growth and development. Continuously improving your skills and knowledge will make you a valuable asset to the company.
That's a great perspective. Even if I don't get the promotion I hope for, I can still take pride in my growth and the contributions I make to the organization.
Exactly. Promotions aren't the only measure of success. By working hard and continuously learning, you're investing in your own professional journey.
You're right, Sarah. I'm going to put in the extra effort and show my commitment. I want to make a positive impact and have the opportunity for growth in the future.
That's the spirit. I believe in you, and I'm sure your hard work will pay off. Just remember to maintain a healthy work-life balance along the way.
Thank you for your support and encouragement, Sarah. With the right mindset and dedication, I'm confident that I can achieve my goals.
You're welcome. I'm here to cheer you on. Keep pushing forward, and I'm sure you'll make great strides in your career.
How to make up after fight. Hey, Sarah, can we talk? I think we need to address what happened yesterday.
Yeah, sure, Alex. I'm glad you brought it up. I'm sorry about our fight. I didn't mean to say those hurtful things.
It's okay, Sarah. I'm sorry too. I let my anger get the best of me. We both said things we didn't mean.
That's true. It's important for us to remember that we love each other, and fights shouldn't define our relationship.
You're right, Sarah. We need to focus on resolving this and moving forward. Communication is key in situations like this.
Absolutely, Alex. Let's start by expressing our feelings calmly and honestly without blaming each other.
I agree. We should take turns talking and really listen to what the other person has to say. It's important to understand each other's perspective.
Yes, active listening is crucial. We should try to put ourselves in each other's shoes and empathize with how the other person felt.
Definitely. And once we understand each other's feelings, we can apologize for our own actions and take responsibility.
Apologizing sincerely shows that we care about each other's feelings. It's a way of acknowledging our mistakes and promising to do better.
Right. And it's not just about saying sorry. It's about making a commitment to change our behavior and not repeat the same mistakes.
Absolutely, Alex. We need to learn from this experience and find ways to prevent similar conflicts in the future.
Agreed. Let's also find a solution or compromise that addresses the underlying issue so that we can avoid similar fights in the future.
That sounds fair, Alex. We should work together to find a middle ground and come up with a plan that satisfies both of us.
Exactly. And let's remember to forgive each other and not hold grudges. Forgiveness is essential for healing and moving forward.
I couldn't agree more, Alex. Holding on to anger and resentment will only damage our relationship in the long run.
So, Sarah, let's make a fresh start. Let's put this fight behind us and focus on rebuilding trust and strengthening our bond.
I'm ready, Alex. I love you, and I want us to be happy. Let's make a conscious effort to be patient, understanding, and kind to each other.
I love you too, Sarah. Let's learn and grow from this experience. And always remember that we're a team.
Absolutely, Alex. Together, we can overcome any obstacles and build a stronger and more loving relationship.
I believe in us, Sarah. Let's make sure that our love and respect for each other always shine through, even in difficult times.
Agreed, Alex. Let's make up and move forward, hand in hand. Our love is worth fighting for and protecting.
Thank you, Sarah, for being so understanding. I'm grateful to have you by my side. Let's make this the last fight we ever have.
You're welcome, Alex. I feel the same way. Let's focus on nurturing our love and creating a harmonious and peaceful relationship.